Alright, table saw. It's a table with a saw. Ooh. It's actually a skill saw that's bolted on underneath here. I haven't bothered to countersink these quite yet. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. And underneath, we've got vacuum cleaner hose. It's like this. Might be a bit dark. Anyway, under here, there's where most of the sawdust comes out. I hooked up a hose, and the trigger is tied down with a piece of wire. So you just plug it in, and it's a table saw. Yep. I wouldn't trust it as far as I could throw it, but it works.